And a major drug bust in Albuquerque, deputies say is linked to a Mexican drug cartel. Good afternoon, I'm Kim Baez. It was a huge stash that supplied drugs to the entire county, and sheriff's deputies got it all in a bust last night. They say the dope dealers are local, but they have ties to international drug organizations. News 13's Ian Schwartz is here with the story.
Bernalillo County deputies say last night's takedown is one for the record books. Behind the doors of this southwest Albuquerque home, Bernalillo County Sheriff's deputies made one of their biggest drug busts.
It was definitely a surprise. I mean, it's not something that's normal. This is a very significant amount.
Deputies served a search warrant here late last night after getting tips drugs were being stored at the home. Inside, they found 13 pounds of meth and 6 pounds of heroin.
We used all our resources as far as intelligence and informants and things like that to make sure that we had the right people at the right locations.
Those people were Chris Marquez and Claudia Martinez. Detectives say Marquez, who is Martinez's cousin, was dealing a lot of dope throughout the city and has connections to some very, very bad people.
I would say that they definitely have cartel connections. That's something that, again, we're investigating.
According to court documents, Marquez told deputies the drugs belonged to him and his cousin had nothing to do with it. Investigators say the street value of the meth and heroin is anywhere from $300,000 to $500,000. Along with the huge amount of drugs in the house was Martinez's 4-year-old child. Deputies say the drugs were sold to a broad range of clientele, possibly even kids.
In the schools, especially now with the heroin. So this arrest will affect a lot of lives just because of the amount of product that we took off the streets.
Both Martinez and Marquez are charged with drug trafficking. Martinez is also charged with child abuse. That's because her son was living in the drug house. That child was released to a grandmother. Back to you.
Okay, thanks, Ian. Now, Marquez does have a number of drug arrests on his record, including at least one conviction. The search continues as